Welcome back. I'm here with my mom, Kathy.
Hello.
And if you're new, my name is Shannon. We are currently decluttering, downsizing, and packing up my parents' home for a big move. We are starting up here in the bedroom. We're going to be emptying out pretty much everything that you don't need to live with. Let's jump into emptying this window seat.
Okay, here we go.
Also, I was shocked. I opened the closet and the only thing in that closet is a few clothing items left. That's it. So you already did all that.
Yes, I did. I've been doing it.
Are we moving it this way?
Yeah.
Okay. This month, I'm so excited to share 6 other simple living and decluttering channels putting out weekly decluttering motivation inspired by my 100 Things to Declutter checklist. I'll link their channels, the full playlist, and the checklist below so you can follow along and declutter with everyone. I love that we can all inspire each other and grow in this community. This is empty. I think this should go.
You do. I'll go buy it again. What size is this?
I'm not kidding when I say there are probably 40 to 50 frames downstairs that have been already maybe moved to the new house.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Empty.
Empty frames. Yes. Okay. I gotcha.
We could open a frame store. I'm just going to throw that out there. I'm not trying to be mean. I know I'm going to get comments.
I don't know if we need to keep these drawings. Do you want to keep these? These are all copies of the drawings you did. Keep it in the book like that?
Because I don't have them otherwise.
Okay. All right.
I can take them though, if you don't want to keep them anymore. But there's stuff like this that I've painted a long time ago that my mom was keeping because she just wanted to keep it. And I don't know if I don't think I need to keep any of this.
The main thing is
pull everything out to start.
Get it out of here and take it down. And I'll have time tonight to go through and empty things out.
I'm just going to double time getting this out. I hope you all are enjoying this view.
It's bootylicious.
And I have shorts on because out of nowhere, the weather has turned to 80 degrees here in California. And
if we can combine it all, yeah, that's fine. Combine it all into one.
Yeah, let's have a look. What's in there?
It's probably empty.
So all of this goes with these pretty much.
Oh, this is my painting from my friend. Wait, I showed you that before. I'm keeping that.
Yeah, but I mean, what's in here?
Nothing. We could put more stuff in here.
Okay.
I'm going to put some of these things.
First place.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
At the fair or the school?
At the fair.
All right.
5th grade, I drew this picture of this hot rod and I got first place at the LA County Fair. That's pretty good for 5th grade. Pretty good, I think.
Yay, Shannon! So proud of you.
What we're doing now is we are consolidating by taking all this art out of these frames and putting them into these books that are meant to store art. This way we have everything. We can always go through it later and get rid of it if we want. Some of them are copies. Some of them are original pieces of art, original drawings and paintings. A lot of this is family-oriented stuff that would never sell to anyone.
These are screwed in.
And a lot of it is stuff that we could give away or sell too. But a lot of it I want to keep. I don't want to keep all of it. I want to keep some of it.
Yeah.
I'll put it that way. These are all drawings that I had to do, figure drawings in college. A model comes in and then they sit and you draw them. I'm currently going through this art book because all of these drawings and paintings are mine from college, things that my mom wanted to keep. And I don't know what I had originally said, but she wanted to keep them. We decided to get rid of this big art portfolio that was falling apart. So I took everything out to consolidate it. And then we're going to go through it and get rid of what we don't love.
Oh, my back.
It's so funny because we always say things like, oh, we're just going to quickly do this, and then we start to do it and it takes forever.
Yeah, but this is sentimental. This stuff, I would consider it.
But I'm just not even talking about that. I'm just saying it takes forever just to
do anything.
Do anything.
Yeah.
We always think we have...
Well, we'll do this in 20 minutes.
We always say that. Oh, this will be a 10-minute project, and then 2 hours later, we're still trying to get the tape off of something.
Oh, those shoes.
I think let's just get rid of it.
Okay.
This we're keeping. And all of that is going. I'm excited to share with you today something that has helped me to simplify my bathroom counter, getting rid of all the cords and messy looking chargers to keep it clear and clean. One way I've simplified the mess is using the Suri electric toothbrush, and it's honestly made such a difference. First of all, I love how clean and minimal the toothbrush looks. I don't mind having this out because it actually looks really nice. The other great thing is the magnetic mirror mount. All you have to do is remove the paper on the back of the mount, stick it to your mirror, and then the toothbrush magnetically sticks to the mount. It works great, and it's nice because then I can see my toothbrush, know where it is, and I don't have to have things out on my sink. And it's not just about how this looks, it actually works really well too. I love that it gives a powerful yet gentle clean, and it works way better than my manual toothbrush. Another big plus is that the charge lasts for over a month, so I'm not constantly having to deal with charging the toothbrush and cords everywhere. It just simplifies everything. If you want to simplify and upgrade your brushing routine, use my code Shannon15 to get an extra 15% off Suri. You'll see why I love it so much. And thank you to Suri for sponsoring this video. Now we're going to start on the other side, and the goal is to have this completely emptied out, so when it's ready to move, we don't even have to wonder if anything's in there. It'll just be empty.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
You're doing a good job on that one. I like that. I'm watching them.
I got it. Don't worry.
I was amazed just watching. What the heck is she doing over there? Pillows. We'll see if I have room at the new place. It was when I first started painting, pretty much. Sure.
I'm wondering if we can fit that into the big portfolio if you were to take it out of the frame.
That's true, because I don't know where we would hang this. I'll do that.
Here's another portfolio with the Christmas pillows.
That goes with the Christmas pillows.
Belly dancing we're keeping. So this bin's almost empty, really. Easels for shows. Probably don't really need anymore. One bin had a whole bunch of art prints with kind of deteriorating frames. So we're just going to throw that out.
Yes.
And then in the bottom of the bin, we found a whole bunch of deteriorated zip ties and also plastic things, easels that it's falling apart.
Yeah, display stuff.
Unfortunately, it's going to be trash.
I agree. Here, you hold that up. I'll hold this, and you pour it in there.
We made some real progress up here in this room. We've completely emptied this out now. We are going to donate 7 frames. She's found another 4 or 5 to toss because they're falling apart.
Yes.
We have 2 big bags of trash, and we have a portfolio that's going, and then everything else we just need to take downstairs.
Yeah, boy, I'm amazed. This is really good.
We're doing good.
Yes.
We've migrated downstairs. We are going to empty this out, and I think my strategy idea is I will hand you stuff maybe.
Okay.
And then you can decide, I know you're probably going to keep most of it, but maybe there will be a few things that you don't want.
All right.
Keep.
Yes.
Ooh, this could be, wait, don't make noise right now. This could be a game with stuff I know you're going to keep.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Keep or get rid of. Okay, let me put this thing in here.
Oh my golly, it's going to be so loud.
I know, sorry. This.
Keep.
Yes, I'm going to wrap it up. See, I'm thinking because
I think that you might not want to keep.
But see, this is the stuff I used to have when we used to have parties, and now we got a new house that's party house, and this would be jams in here.
I just want to point out that you rarely use this stuff with parties.
I know. So I'm
not trying to be mean.
No, but that one.
These are vintage, I think.
Yeah, these are all vintage.
Keeping?
These are all vintage. I could sell these. Oh, this
I'm not telling you to get them. I just think this one I've never seen you use before.
When we have Easter here, I would always use that with buried. Yes, that's a big party.
Okay, I think
party
we're
thing.
Keep this.
Oh yeah, got that from Carol.
No, this I don't know.
We tried to get rid of this once, and I kept it, and I kept the other one like it. I kept both of them.
Do you still feel you need it?
Yes, because I'm going to have Easter at my house this year in the backyard. I'm going to have all my pretty stuff out. We'll have an Easter egg hunt among the trees. You know what? The reality is, this is all I have left on. I don't have any more, just this one. The reality is I'm really down to hardly anything.
All right. Well, I
Those
want you to
can
take
go.
I
Those
knew
can
it.
go.
I was thinking that you might say that because you're not a candle person.
Yeah, put those over there. They're pretty, but I could even try selling those Aurifors. Okay, that I'm keeping. Okay, yes.
Keeping?
Yes.
I think you're going to keep this because
This is from Sweden.
Yeah, this was one that you kept
Yes,
before.
I'm going to keep that. It's Grandma Olson's.
Okay.
And that I'm keeping.
This I think you're keeping.
Oh yeah, I use that all the time.
Now these, I don't know if you want to take a rethink on these.
Yeah, we don't need them. The kids didn't use this last time. I'm keeping that. I don't need those.
I knew it.
You're just thinking out loud. Pickle dickle. Pickle dishel.
Well, if it was me, I would say no to both of these. Because first of all, I've never seen you use either of these.
You know, I don't really care about that one. I'm not really into that whole style.
But you're keeping this.
Yeah.
They look like leaves, large and small leaves.
I'll go with my new backyard.
I don't care what you do.
I'm going to hang on to those only because if I do get rid of them, then I'll never get them again.
This, I think you'll keep, but I
don't need that.
Okay, I was going to say.
And I don't need that red thing.
Okay.
Those are decorative and I don't care. I want them to be functional.
Now the butter dish you've used a lot throughout the years.
That goes, yeah.
So I've seen this a lot.
Yeah.
Being used. Now instead of crouching, okay.
I know.
We filled one whole bin and this now will be taken by us to the new place.
To the new house,
so
yes.
It's not wrapped super well. You got to be careful.
Yeah. Oh, more.
I think you're going to keep this.
Yes, I want that.
That's like your favorite vase.
I want that.
Okay.
Yes, because I use those for stacking in between. No.
Goodbye.
I liked it, but I never used it. You know what? It's a cookie dish that is so flat that the cookies slide off. It has no rim, no edge. Yes.
Yes. Oh, my Lanta.
That's the matching.
It's the matching leaves.
Yes. We will be having a garden party with leaf motif.
And now,
oh yes,
yes, I had a feeling you'd keep this, even though it has rarely been seen. Oh
no!
I thought you were going to say no.
Yeah, we never use them, so
they're going.
They're going.
Here's another thing.
No, I never use that.
Pretty much what I'm seeing a theme of recently with you is all Christmas decor is kind of
and Easter pretty much. I just use my white and just use seasonal. I don't need that either. I don't need a dish with saying it's Christmas or Easter and you only use it once. Yeah, I stole that out of my china cabinet. I mean my china set because I thought I'm giving it away for free. I might as well keep what I want.
Now this.
That's ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. You know what this is?
What?
This is
Italy something. No?
No. This is from Trader Joe's. It's their balsamic vinegar little thing. I love it. It's a little, I thought, what a cute little face. If you go to Trader Joe's and buy balsamic vinegar, you get this little cute little thing. Never used it, but you know, I'm one of those save boxes, save bags, and now I'm saving little glass vases.
So that's going.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I know.
Now we have
I want all of those.
homemade bowls. Okay,
Yes.
I thought you would keep these.
I like those.
Now I think you're keeping this.
Yes.
All of this in here we have been through so many times.
Yes.
So many times.
Yeah.
But look at how much you're getting rid of even after all these years.
Yes,
and
right.
this is why we do it.
Yes. Keep.
Oh,
I don't know. I haven't really used those. I'm keeping that flowered one. That one's dirty and it's stained. I think I'm going to get rid of that finally.
Okay.
That's from Sweden. This is from Sweden. But, you know, I never use these little
And
guys.
you have its matching brother.
Yes.
Or sister.
That's winter, fall, or spring. Oh, yes, I want that. Don't let them fall on each other. And I'll get rid of that too. Those are,
wow.
Yeah, I know. Yay.
We are making progress.
But some of this glass gets etched after a while when you use it and it doesn't have the shine.
Shrimp, anyone?
Yes. The flower shrimps I'm keeping.
They just look like shrimp to me.
Yeah.
Now we have the glass version of this in plastic.
Yes. That's for outside when you want to drop your cake.
Do you need this one?
It was really handy. Yeah. It's for like banana bread but it's the one you want to serve the kids.
I'm telling you, if there's a plastic version of anything, that's what you're going to be using.
I know.
Now we have...
Okay, you don't even want to see those because I got rid of all the china, but I kept the platters because I'm cuckoo.
Are you getting rid of them now?
No,
You're keeping them.
Yes. When I bring out that big roast lamb and
you don't eat meat.
I know, but
Okay.
it could be for potatoes. It could be.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm also looking forward to it. I'm going to notify you all when this happens.
Yes, we'll invite you all to
We're going to be having a notification of when we do this.
Yes, keeping.
We're almost done. We packed all that into the boxes. So now we have this.
Yep.
All of this.
Those are good. I got them down just to those for my serving.
Oh.
That and everything else.
Just these are left and all the other stuff.
Yeah. I've whittled out a lot of stuff today, so that's good.
What about this?
Oh.
Are we ready to downsize a little bit? Or
I
no?
don't have platters other than those cheap plastic ones. So those are my only.
You have 4 here. Plus all those plates we just packed away.
Yeah. Yeah, those can go because those are the stuff you could just go get at Home Goods. That goes with this the soup bowl, so I'm going to keep that.
Okay. So we're going to get rid of those too.
Wedgewood or something. Here, I'm going to put it in the.
Oh.
I'm going to put it in the plastic.
You are getting rid of a lot.
I am.
And as I always say, I am very surprised.
Yay.
I mean, that's really cool.
Yeah, that's very vintage. That's that U.S. pottery.
USA.
It's that U.S. pottery from California.
I think it probably does.
Okay, that works.
It's probably just not meant to be spun.
If you spin it, everything will fly off.
It's very cool. This is actually something that I would keep.
Yeah.
Because I really think it's actually pretty, where a lot of other pieces are very plain.
Yes.
And I'm more into, if I'm going to keep something, I want it to look very unique. That's just my
That'll be good in my 1956 house.
This is my personal style for more unique things.
Yes. Okay.
This kind of stuff means nothing to me.
Yeah.
White, you could get that anywhere to me.
Yeah, right. And you could get that anywhere. When I do have something like, even when we do use burgers there, I use them. I'll put the tomatoes in one, the pickles in one.
These were all just, probably you bought at Home Goods. It says made in China, signature houseware, whatever.
That's the cheap, functional.
This is the stuff you do use more often.
Yes.
My mom was able to find 21 items to let go of from her China cabinet. So yay.
Now we're down to the drawers. Put everything in here that you want to keep.
We'll put the cloth stuff after and see.
Okay.
Yes, all this stuff goes. Never throw away a clicker. Okay, this goes with the house.
Unless you know you don't have the item anymore.
Don't need these, don't need these.
All right, 4 sticks.
Those are, orchid sticks in the trash later.
Now in here we have smelly stuff. I know we've talked about this in the past. Are you going to use
I've never used it in a year, so I want to keep the dish, but you can dump those in the trash.
These are going to go in the trash.
And this I'm going to keep, this whole thing.
And that's all vintage.
Yes. That won't fit. We could put it somewhere else.
See? Okay, we have paper plates.
I'll put these up in the cabinet.
Trivets, or what are these called?
Yeah,
trivets. 2 frogs, and I know frogs come in handy.
I'm going to use those frogs one of these days if I find the right dish to put in there.
We were able to empty out that whole entire window seat.
Yes.
Completely empty, and tons of stuff is going to the secondhand store.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
Also, you threw away a lot of stuff that was just broken, that kind of thing.
Yes.
Then going through this right here, wow. I can't believe it. You got rid of so much stuff.
We did.
And we've been through that many times. So
and I'm sure one day I'll get rid of more of it. We'll see.
It's a slow process.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching and being here and commenting and all the support that you all have shared with us over the last few weeks. It's been amazing. We will be putting up new videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 6 a.m. If you're new, you can hit the subscribe button to join the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Goodbye.